Easy now, watch the mast. All right, she's connected. Take the slack slowly.
Crane, hold position, we have a slight twist.
Roger that, holding steady.
Slow and steady, watch the starboard side.
Descent rate holding, coming down on the cribbing now.
All right, team, secure the forward slings. Crane, slow traverse, right 2 meters. Slings secured, ready for tension check. Easy now, confirming contact on points 3 and 4.
Green on alignment, weight stabilizing.
Look at this stress fracture near the landing gear. Captured it.
Uploading the macro shot of the algae and corrosion now.
Okay, last bolt is moving. Clear. Crane, engage, and tension the load. Steady lift initiated. Clear to move right. Okay, lift slowly. Clear on the left side.
Heavy. Make sure it clears the mounts.
Got it. Bring the cart around.
Engine is clear. Maintain slow vertical lift.
Roger that. Watch your starboard side clearance.
Bring it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Copy that. Increasing altitude by 5 feet. Keep the pressure steady on the puller. It's starting to give, hold tight. Okay, hoist it slowly now. All right, pull it back slowly.
Look at the pitting on the frame here. Electrolytic corrosion is severe. And the wiring bundles are completely compromised.
We have the load secured, beginning the lift sequence.
Copy that. Watch your clearance on the starboard side. We are fully detached. Structure is stable.
Roger, move it to the staging area.
Phase 4 of the restoration process. The freshly painted hull is transferred into the main assembly hangar.
Check the continuity on that connection.
Looks good. The schematic matches the routing.
Check the thrust output. We are approaching maximum load.
Temperatures holding steady.
Bring it down 50 millimeters. Steady, steady. Perfect alignment.
Initiate lowering sequence on my mark.
Jacks retracting. Clear below.
Weight transfer is nominal.
Ensure the bolts are calibrated precisely. Torque verified. The assembly is complete.
J3 connector secured and torqued.
Confirmed. Running the continuity check on panel 2 now. Looks good.
Torque wrench set to specifications. Reading green across the board. Balance is good. Okay, easy now. Clear on the left side. Watch the seal at the bottom.
The drive shaft segments must be perfectly aligned to handle the immense power. The final check is a manual rotation test.
The precise assembly phase ensures every component is secured to withstand extreme G-forces. The King Stallion is now ready for deployment.
Pressure holding steady at 50 psi. System checks are complete. Looks good. All panels secured and aligned. Rotor system checked and smooth. Ready for start.